Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Tevalayldn and I love fashion. In today's video I'm going to be doing a Prada unboxing and review video for you guys. We are going to get into the specs and into the nitty-gritty of this bag. This video is dedicated to the Nylon Re-Edition 2005 bag in the beige color, guys. Yes, I picked up the beige and we're gonna get up close and personal. So I'm not gonna ramble on, I'm gonna get straight into the specs of this bag. So if you want to see this bag up close and personal, then definitely stay around for the end of the video. So guys, shall we get into the review? So guys, I know I am a little bit late to the party with this bag. Okay, I say a little bit late to the party, I am very late. This bag has been so popular for the past like a year and a bit now. I would say like everyone has been rocking this bag. It is a really popular bag. I picked up the Prada Re-Edition 2005. I picked up two. You guys already know this. One in the leather and one in the nylon, and we are going to talk about the nylon one today. This is the dust bag that it came in. It is so soft and buttery, and the box that I got it in, it's got this fabric Prada logo here on top, and that is the box, guys. I didn't even know this before, but the nylon material that it is made out of is actually recycled. So this material is purified plastic trash collected from the ocean, so from fishing nets and from textile waste fibers. Guys, this bag helps save our dolphins. Prada, well done. It is 18 centimeters in height, 6.5 centimeters in length, and 22 centimeters in width. So it is a very small bag. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how you would wear this bag in a really dressy way. Like for me, this bag is very casual. I need to see people wearing this bag in a really dressy way because it's nylon, which is why I got the leather one as well, because I just thought the leather one could be like more for like going out and stuff. But anyway, this is not about the leather bag, this is about the nylon bag. Guys, let's talk about it. It comes with the normal belted strap, the strap that loads of people wear as a belt. I don't know if that looks flattering or not on me. Is that flattering? Are we doing something here, guys? Okay, I'm gonna sit down. I don't know what I just tried to do, but I know that that would work on someone else. This is the bag with the chain. You know what, I might just be taking away my previous comment about not being able to wear it in a smart way, because this is it with the chain. Oh, this is ridiculous. This is the bag, this is the chain. This is me with the bag. This is like a really informal unboxing. I'm really sorry. I know that everybody has different reasons for liking this bag. For me, it was this coin purse here, and you know, the removable strap. Like that is what drew me to the bag in the first place. Like I really like that concept. And then I know that Louis Vuitton went ahead and did something similar, and that bag as well, I like it, but it's like you can't get that bag, it's sold out everywhere. But this one, I really like the strap, guys. Like, look at that. So as I mentioned before, the bag comes with this coin purse, and there's not much room in it, but you don't need that much room for coins, right? This is the inside of it. It has the little Prada tag inside, which is embossed as well, and it says Prada, and it's lined in this champagne gold color again, and it's embossed and it says Prada as well. On the zips as well, the tags also are engraved and it says Prada, and also here again on the label it says Prada too. But there is a lot of distinctive things about this. It also said Prada just right here on the clip. There's so many different little functions on this bag, which I absolutely adore. The strap is adjustable, so depending on your height you can adjust the strap also. It's also got that Saffiano leather again, just, you know, right here near the clip. The zip on the coin purse is very buttery, it's not stiff at all, and I mean that is what I expect on a designer bag. A negative thing about this bag is that there are no compartments inside this bag, so good luck trying to separate your thing. You would need to get a separate bag compartment organizer which you could put inside it so you can actually separate your things. There's nothing in it. It's a small bag, but things will get lost. That is the only real negative that I would say about the bag, but other than that, it is a nice bag. My friend actually has this exact same bag in white, and she said that it gets really dirty, so I guess this color is just a little bit darker, but I could just imagine it being dirty. So in terms of like cleaning and stuff, apparently it should be quite easy to clean, just a little bit of soap and water and stuff, but that is information I got from my friend. So don't be going and putting your Prada bag into the washing machine and then coming back to me and saying that I told you to do that. So I don't know, ask the Prada sales associate and they will be able to advise you on how to clean the bag. The bag also comes with like all these like little tags as well, which basically just kind of says what the bag is made out of. Also it comes with this little authentication card, guys. This is what basically lets you know that your bag is real. I won't be showing you guys the back because I know how some of you guys like to be trying to steal my authentication code. No, I'm joking. I would actually show you, but I put it back in now, so sorry. Guys, also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to your girl, because you know, if you want to see more videos like this, hauls, fashion videos, unboxing videos, styling videos, like all of that kind of good stuff is where I will be. Yeah, like it's nice having the support, you know. Love you, love you, love you. Bye guys.